Hey guys, welcome back. I appreciate you being here. It's New Year's Eve. I really hope everybody stays safe. Just remember that one small thing can cause a lifetime of hurt. Just remember that. Okay, guys. We're going to give away the Octastream Elite Max. We're going to go ahead and draw the winner today. Okay, but that's not all we're going to be doing today. Okay, this video is going to take care of a couple of things. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give this away. But please keep watching. We're going to have a few extra things. We're going to talk about another giveaway. We're going to also set you up so you're going to have a really great year if you wanted to. Anyways, just keep watching. We'll show you it. And hey, good luck to whoever wins. So we're going to go ahead and jump over on my computer and we're going to do a random pick for this box. Okay guys, here we go. We put it in. This is YouTube random comment picker. We're going to go ahead and pick a winner. And this looks to be one. Wait a second. Let's go ahead and go to the website and check this real quick. Okay, that's me. Let's go down to his comment. Oh no. Guys, you got to do what's in the. Oh, this hurts. That hurts me so bad. I'm sorry. This is disqualification. Let's pick another. And Thomas 19228, you have won. I can see the comment right there, but let's go ahead and go and check it on just like we did the other one. And there's me. And Thomas did what he was supposed to do here. Now I got to just check and make sure he did the rest of it before I can declare a winner. But with Thomas, congratulations. You will have up to 48 hours to contact. Now let's make it 72 hours because of the holiday to contact us and let us know that you want it. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and I'm going to play the segment of how to enter that Octastream drawing, just so you guys remember it and so forth.
Okay, let's talk about the giveaway. You must be in the United States. You must be subscribed to this channel, so be sure to check that you are subscribed. Then like this video, and most of all, make a comment, any comment with the hashtag Octastream in it.
Okay, again, that just kills me, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and remember you got like 72 hours. But here's another video that we're giving away this drone. So I'll have links in description and so forth. Uh, you need to get over and do it. What's cool is this bad boy really works okay. I mean, yes, it's used because I used it. But if we go over to let me show you something here real quick. Look we had 670 views. Oh, that's nothing. I mean, there's 19 comments, so you're 1 to 19, and 50 looks like 56 or 58 likes. I don't understand how that worked. Um, if you're gonna like it, 56 of them, all you had to do is throw a comment on what it said in the video on this. So, anyways, we'll be drawing this in the next few days. Let's see, the first, and then on maybe this weekend. And hopefully some of you will enjoy it and we'll go from there. Go see that video, guys. Well, congratulations, Thomas. So what we're going to do is go ahead and make sure he is a qualified winner, that he did what he was supposed to do. He did do the comment, correct. Got to see if he liked the video and that he is subscribed, because any one of those three that you don't do, you don't get to win. And with that in mind, you need to watch the whole video a lot of times to find out how to enter. This is something, and that just really hurt my soul to have to pick another winner. But, rules are rules, I guess. Anyways, guys. Hey, guys, I promised you something else on this. If you didn't win and you're looking for a box, it's that time of year. Yeah, that's why all this is sitting in front of me. We're getting ready to add it to the website where you can get some amazing deals on this stuff if you're looking for it. I mean, we have stuff up to 50% off. It just helps the channel run because we don't ask for donations. We don't have a join me. We don't have a Patreon. Although a lot of you are telling me to get that, but that's the last thing I want to do. I and yes, I will accept if you buy a copy for me. That'd be great. But to have the monthly, I don't feel right. So this is how I kind of make up for it a little bit. Just adds a little bit into it, so I can kind of upgrade cameras and do things like that. Okay, guys, what you can do on the Couch Potato website, link is in description. What you want to do is come to this demo, new products reviewed for videos, huge discounts and so forth. I am going to be populating this out over the next couple of days. So keep an eye on it, and that way you can find out what you might want. Okay, so anyways, you're going to go to this, go ahead and click on it. Now, this is going to pop up. This says we accept Cash App and PayPal. Okay, if you don't have a Cash App, this is great for you because you can get a anywhere from a $5 to $30 cash bonus just for getting it and using it. But if you prefer PayPal, that's great too. We have that on there as an option. Anyways, so the Cash App, all you need to do is click right here. It'll take you to the Cash App, so you can sign up and get this going. When you do have that, this is a code right here, referral code. So I get a little something out of it, and you get a lot of something out of it. So the GM86P92 is what you're going to get. So if you click on that, this is going to show up. And this is where I invite you to use the Cash App. Anyway, so what you do is you use that, you copy this code right there, go get it right there with the download Cash App. So it has it right here. Unlock your bonuses for you and Jim. That's me. And that way you can get the Cash App, enter my code in there, and send $5 to anyone. Okay, so if you have your wife uh, sign up the same way or on your code, that way you're going to get your $5 back. She's going to get $5 once she uses it. So you've already used it to get her and so forth. So you just send it to her, she sends it back, and you're all set. I mean, $5, $5, guys. So, anyways, you got to use it within 14 days, but you want to use it right away. Otherwise, you're going to lose out on whatever you're trying to buy here. So, this is a backed bank app from Square. Um, I've been using it for a long time. It works great. But like I said, if you don't want to use this, go ahead and use the PayPal. And once you're done, you're already done. If you want to just go to PayPal, just go ahead and click on that. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put in. I'm populating this now with the demo products. Now, demo products could be from brand new, still sealed, down to using it for no more than about 5 hours. I may even have one but I will state it that I used for like 3 days. Um, that I can sell cheap too. So it's whatever you want to do. And like I said, it's just a way to get things a lot cheaper. Here we got 50% off what they're charging. And these are, like I said, brand new. I did a review on them and put them back in the box. 189 for this Stream XX1 Pro and Yecom 5G router if you want that, stuff like that. Well, everybody, hey, I do appreciate you, and I hope you had a wonderful year. I hope you have an even better one, a fantastic one next year and all the years after. Trust me, look at me, okay? I'm not a young pup anymore. And the days, weeks, months, and years fly by. So make sure you stop, enjoy it. Make sure you get with your family. If you're not getting along with a family member, try to get along with them. You know, this is the time. So it's not that it's just a Christmas type thing. You know, it's a life type thing. And I don't mean to get mushy. I don't usually do that. But I think it'd be great if you can do that. Enjoy life every time you can. You know, enjoy life every time you can. Don't take things so seriously. Um, you know, enough of the political stuff at home, all that stuff. Anyways, hey guys, I do appreciate you. I really do. Thank you for being here. Thanks for the support. And like I said, you want to buy me a cup of coffee? All links are in the description for you. So I appreciate it. And until next time, it won't be until after the new year, of course, because that's tonight. Be safe. I'll see you.